Welcome. In front of me is VIVO iQOO Neo 7, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your phone through the screen lock pattern. So first of all, try and memorize the pattern that you entered the last time that worked for you, and if it doesn't work for you, then let's also check if you don't have any face unlock or fingerprint unlock features enabled on your phone, so you can easily access it. And if you don't, in such case, we can try to go into safe mode and check if the password works there. To do that, hold down the power key for a while, then select restart option, and then hold down the volume up key for a while until your phone boots up. And as you can see, it booted up into fast boot mode. Right now, press the volume down key once to select recovery option, and then press power button to go there. It will take a couple of seconds until your phone boots up into recovery mode. Now click here and then click on this option right here and wait until your device boots up into the safe mode. Now when we are in the safe mode, when we know for sure that there are no applications that can corrupt the system, and that this time your screen lock pattern should work. If you can memorize the one that that worked for you the last time, so you can try to enter it, and if you succeed, then you'll be able to change it in safe mode by going into settings, then selecting security. I guess it should be right here, or maybe fingerprint, face and password, and here you can change lock screen password and set the screen lock password that will work for you. Now if this didn't help, then in such case the other best option would be to try and contact the Vivo customer support service and tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of this device to them, then they will most certainly help you with regaining access to your device without removing any personal data or information. And now if you can't use this option either, then the best solution would be to perform a factory reset, which will erase all data from your phone, but you will be able to use it once again. Now you can do this remotely if you have Google account added to your device, and if you didn't disable the Find My Device feature manually on your phone, then it should be enabled in most cases, almost always. And in such case, you can use the login info for your Google account to enter the Find Hub service on Google. You can use any other device for that. So go to the Find Hub, enter your Google your email address that is connected to this device as login. Log into the service, to the Find Hub service, and find this device, select it, and choose factory reset operation to erase all data from your device. Once the data will be erased, you'll be able to use your device once again, set it up for yourself, and regain access to it. Now if you can't use this option either, for example if Find My Device feature is disabled on your phone, you can perform factory reset operation manually using recovery mode. Now you just saw how to enter recovery mode, but if you are still not sure what to do, especially since there are this recovery mode is in Chinese, then you should definitely check out the full video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on this VIVO Neo 7 phone. And that's it. I hope that this video helped you. If it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.